Hello, my name is Quinn McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to take a look at stock number 31387. Again, that's stock number 31387, which is a Hino 155 DC or double cab. Now, some people don't know this, but the Hino brand is actually the commercial vehicle for Toyota. So that same durability and reliability you get with all the Toyota products is wrapped up in the Hino brand as well. Now, with this being a 155, you are going to get the 14,500 GVW rating, which is well below the CDL rating, while still giving you plenty of cargo space and carrying capacity to carry your zero turns, shovels, rakes, all your different tools, pallets, what have you. Now, this is going to be powered by the J05 Hino engine and married to an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, which is well proven and very reliable. So reliable, in fact, it's going to come with a 5-year, 200,000-mile engine warranty and 2 years of preventative maintenance for free. But what's even more intriguing about this truck is that it's going to come with 5 years of connectivity. What that means to you is, from your cell phone, tablet, or laptop, you can track, trace, and diagnose this truck at the ease of a button. It'll send you critical faults, either a green, yellow, or red flag. It'll also alert Industrial Power if you give us access, so we can schedule you into our shop and cut down lead times for repairs from a few days just down to a day or so. Now, with this being a crew cab option, it's going to give you it's going to be super versatile for all of your crew. So you're not just segregated to a 3-man crew these days. You can actually fit 7 men comfortably in here. I'll open up the doors here for the cameraman to kind of zoom in to the back seat. And if I open the door here, you'll see just how spacious this cab really is. You are going to have a 4-man bench, which is going to come with 4 safety belts to keep safe and reliable travel for your passengers in the rear, as well as what's really key for this, a rear AC. So those 110 days summers here in Texas are made a little bit more comfortable here in the back seat with this AC. And for those winter days you're running around, you'll have your rear heater as well. So we'll make our way up to the front here, and using the grab handles, I'll be sitting on a fully magnetic suspension seat. It's going to be fully adjustable, which means it will glide and recline, as well as with a combination of tilt telescopic steering. Any driver, any size, will be able to drive this and operate this vehicle safely and comfortably. A multi-information dash display here will keep the driver's eyes straight to the forward, while still giving them some crucial data points to make him drive efficiently and well. One thing to point out, with this being a low cab forward or cab over design, you're not going to have the hood protruding from the front, which is going to give you a great visibility. In fact, this particular vehicle boasts an 8-foot driver to ground visibility rating, which is about a third of that of your traditional conventional trucks. A couple of creature comforts: you're going to have your power windows and power locks, as well as your power mirrors here, which is a great option to put on if you're going to have multiple drivers, so that your drivers can see his sight lines from inside the cab and not have to worry about getting out and adjusting from there. You're also going to have your AC, AM, FM, CD, and Bluetooth, as well as your shifter here, which is going to give you the ability just to turn the key, put it in drive, and go. And one really great feature is going to be the in-cab workspace, which is going to get your drivers out of the elements and inside the cab to do his forms, papers, quotes, what have you. So he's not standing out in the elements, either getting roasted or getting wet. So we'll pop out of the cab. Again, really easy to get in and out of these cabs. And we'll go to the back here. This particular unit's going to have a 16-foot aluminum Morgan box. And one thing while we make our way to the back, I want to point out, a lot of people just see a 16-foot white box going down the side of the road. Here in Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity for advertisement to turn your fuel mileage into advertisement money by making this literally a rolling billboard with either a simple decal or a full customized wrap that we can do here in our body shop. One other thing I'd like to point out is that we are going to be fully warranted through Morgan to do any kind of corner caps or even full wall adjustments. Now, this is going to come equipped with 2 split dovetail ramps, which can give you the ability to take your zero turns easily and safely into the cab. and it's going to be made out of expanded metal, which is going to be great for whatever you have, grass or soot or mud or any kind of element to go through the expanded metal and not track inside the box. Now, these dovetail ramps are manufactured from Industrial Power and have been time and tested to last at least a few seasons. So again, this is going to be a 16-foot Morgan box. It's going to measure 85 tall and 96 wide, and it's going to give you a blank canvas plywood siding here. This has been super critical for all of our landscape companies to go out there and put on their own shelving or blower racks, weed eater racks, what have you. But here in Industrial Power, we can actually do a full customizable kit to your specifications. Hardwood flooring that's going to be sealed for longevity, dome light, aluminum siding, and aluminum roofing. So I think we've done a really good job taking a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website, search for stock number 31387, and there will be specific pictures of this truck listed online. If you have any specific questions past that, put an inquiry online and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Go to our LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube page. Follow us on all three. We're extremely active. I appreciate you taking some time to take a look at this video, and have a great day.